Welcome to All Cash Digital Studio. Today, we're taking you on a stunning journey through one of the world's most iconic landmarks, La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. From sweeping drone views high above Paris to serene street-level walking footage, this video offers a full experience of the Iron Lady's grandeur, elegance, and the romantic spirit of the city that surrounds her. From above, the Eiffel Tower rises out of the Champ de Mars, standing 330 meters tall, gracefully piercing the Parisian skyline. Built in 1889 by engineer Gustave Eiffel for the World's Fair, the tower was initially criticized, but has since become a symbol of art, innovation, and resilience. Below, you can see the beautiful geometry of the Trocadéro Gardens, the winding Seine River, and the classic rooftops of Paris stretching out in every direction. Notice the intricate iron latticework, over 18,000 iron parts, held together by more than 2.5 million rivets. It's both an engineering marvel and a poetic sculpture in steel. As we fly past each level, you can see observation decks where millions have stood in awe of the city below. You may also spot visitors lining up or walking the lawns beneath, experiencing the magic that only Paris can offer. this height, the city reveals its charm not just in monuments, but in the quiet beauty of its streets, courtyards, and hidden corners. Its iron frame stands proud over the Seine River, with the symmetrical lawns of the Champ de Mars stretching behind it like a green carpet. Now, we descend to the streets. From ground level, the Eiffel Tower looms above like a guardian of the city. Walking through Champ de Mars, you'll hear the buzz of languages from around the world, see couples taking engagement photos, and families picnicking under its shadow. As we stroll toward the base, you'll feel the texture of the city shift, from grand boulevards to intimate pathways lined with trees, benches, and the occasional accordion melody in the air. Underneath the tower, the architecture feels even more massive and magnificent. Look up and you'll see the tower's iron beams forming an open cathedral of geometry and strength. The four supporting legs each point toward different neighborhoods, giving the tower a commanding presence over the left bank of the Seine. Nearby, cafes and souvenir stands dot the area, and you might catch the scent of fresh crepes floating through the breeze. Depending on your time of visit, the tower glows golden in the sunset or begins to sparkle every hour on the hour after dark, a truly unforgettable sight. From every angle, whether soaring from the skies or walking the streets, the Eiffel Tower reminds us why Paris is called the City of Light. To the north, the Trocadéro Gardens unfold in perfect balance, while the classic rooftops of Paris fan out in every direction, elegant, orderly, timeless. thank you for joining us on this visual journey through the heart of Paris. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more travels with me here on All Cash Digital Studio. Until next time, keep exploring, stay inspired, and let the world be your studio.